we'll guide you through how to make a vignette effect Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure Adobe Photoshop is fully open and your photograph is already loaded onto the canvas. Start by navigating to the left toolbar, clicking and holding the rectangular marquee tool, then selecting the elliptical marquee tool from the hidden menu. Once selected, move your cursor onto the canvas, click and drag outward to create a large oval selection that perfectly surrounds your main subject in the center of the image. This oval will define the protected area where your subject remains fully visible. At this stage, only the center is selected, so go to the top menu bar, click Select, and choose Inverse, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or CMD+Shift+I on Mac. Now, the outer edges of your photo are selected instead, which is exactly where the vignette effect will be applied. Next, navigate down to the Layers panel located at the bottom right side of your screen. Click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon, represented by the half-filled circle at the bottom of the panel. From the pop-up menu, choose Curves. Because you created an active selection beforehand, Photoshop will automatically generate a black and white layer mask attached to the Curves adjustment layer. This mask ensures only the outer edges are affected. In the Properties panel for Curves, you will see a diagonal adjustment line on a graph. Click directly in the center of this line to create an anchor point, then drag it downward. As you pull the line down, the outer edges of your image will instantly darken, creating a dramatic and moody vignette effect. However, the transition may appear too sharp or artificial at first. To soften it, return to the Layers panel and click directly on the black and white layer mask thumbnail attached to the Curves layer. Then go back to the Properties panel and click the Masks icon at the top, which resembles a square with a circle inside. Locate the feather slider and gradually increase it to around 200 to 300 pixels. This will blur the harsh oval boundary and create a smooth, seamless fade between the darkened edges and the center of your image. The final result is a polished, cinematic, and professional-looking vignette that naturally draws the viewer's attention toward your subject.